2024 has officially started. Have you figured out what skills you can put into use to earn cash? Don't overthink. Thanks to the internet, it is now possible to make money online by just using your typing skills while working from home or anywhere you want. So stay tuned to find out how these 3 levels of making money from typing can earn you serious dough. Now, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button to be updated on more of our pivot online money-making methods. The first level of making money through typing is through transcription jobs. At level 1, there are transcription jobs. There are a wide range of transcription websites where you simply listen to audio or watch a video, type what is being said, and that's it. You get paid by simply translating everything you hear in the content. Because we love you guys so much, we have already done the research. We will show you websites we found to put your transcription skills to use. Number 1. Revcom. The first on our list is Revcom. This is a popular transcription website. Aside from transcribing what's being said, you can also earn more by adding captions and time according to the video. They even offer translated subtitles. If you want to apply as a transcriptionist, scroll down to the bottom of their website and click Join as a Freelancer. This is where you can send your application to Revcom a transcriptionist. It takes some time for them to get back to your application, but once accepted, there will be a lot of potential work for you to transcribe. Our research shows that you can potentially earn up to $30, depending on how fast you can transcribe. Rev pays out using PayPal, so make sure to have one ready. Now let's move to the next website. Number 2, TranscribeMe.com. What sets TranscribeMe apart from other transcription websites is that they focus on shorter content, making it more manageable if you are a new transcriptionist. TranscribeMe accepts applications from all over the world. When you apply, you complete a test where they want to see your typing and transcribing accuracy. You will hear from them after a week or 2, which is faster than Rev.com. Another thing is that you can choose when and how much you want to work. You have the option to choose the kind of work you want. Their pay rate is somewhere around $250 per month, starting from $15 to $25 per hour of audio transcribed. However, certain niches pay more. If you have a medical or legal background and could work on the transcription of audio related to those fields, their website claims you can make upwards of $60 to $70 per audio hour. The payout in TranscribeMe is done weekly through PayPal. Number 3. ScribbleDcom. Looking for career growth? ScribbleDcom may be for you. They provide segments to transcribe at about 6 minutes or less, giving you more freedom to apply some of our other strategies taught on this channel. The good thing about this website is that once you have experience, you can get promoted and join their review team. A reviewer checks the work of an initial transcriber. They then clean up the transcription and they get paid up to $30 per hour of audio transcribed. Once your work delivery is spot on, there is an opportunity for promotion again. Your earnings can be withdrawn via PayPal. Are you still watching? If you made it this far, we know you are serious about your 2024 goals. Let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our pivot online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Number 4. GoTranscript.com. Do you want more control over your work? GoTranscript.com is for you. To sign up for work, simply scroll down to the bottom of their website that says, Join us as a transcriber. Once you are accepted, you will be treated to transcription services in 5 different categories. These are transcriptions, captions, text translations, audio translations, and foreign subtitles. Pay is 60 cents per audio minute. Average pay is roughly $150 per month, but top earners can bring home upwards of $1,215 per month. GoTranscript hires people from all over the globe. They also offer a variety of transcribing jobs in different languages. Yes, you heard that right, different languages. Unlike the prior websites, GoTranscript's payout is not only done via PayPal, you have the option to use Pioneer. You are free to select the type of work that best suits your transcription skills. Number 5. SpeechPad.com. Another website worth checking out is SpeechPad.com. There are 3 different categories of work available: transcription, subtitles and captions, and transcription and translation, which they offer in different languages, yes. Not just English, If you think this is your cup of tea, simply scroll down to the bottom of their website and click where it says interested in signing up as a transcriber. Once in, you have the freedom to choose your jobs. Earnings could hover anywhere from 25 cents to $2.50 per minute of transcription. This website pays well and you can earn more. You can do this by being ahead of others to get more work done. Number 6. 3playmedia.com. Last on our list is 3playmedia.com. They offer transcription, captioning, translation, subtitles, audio descriptions, and a live auto captioning service. To join them, go to their website, simply scroll down and click Freelance Transcription Jobs. Expect a quick 15 to 20 minute assessment to check your transcription and editing abilities, after which you can just wait for their feedback about your application. Their application process has a fast acceptance rate compared to the other websites we went over. Another exciting thing is that you can earn up to $30 per hour. Other users claim to be receiving up to $50 per hour. Now that is serious cash we are talking about. I am sure these websites got you thinking of pivoting your career to transcription in 2024. Don't hurry though, we still have 2 levels of making money through typing. The second level of making money through typing is by becoming a freelancer. So, what's a freelancer? How do they find jobs? A freelancer is an independent contractor who supplies their services to a business. If you click this video, you probably have a knack for writing, and you can use your skills by signing up to these websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer, or Upwork.com. If you are a wordsmith, you can offer your services to clients looking for people who can effectively write scripts for their videos, blog articles, and anything that can be written online. It can even be something you have passion for or some knowledge in to attract and engage people. You can make a lot more money doing these freelancing jobs than just being a transcriptionist, and that's why it's level 2. Let's jump to the last level of making money through typing. Now you might be scratching your head about what we mean by that, but let's go back a few steps. Level 1 is all about transcribing. Level 2 talks about using your writing skills as a freelancer. What's the common denominator between the two? You get paid for writing for other people and own none of it. If you are in sales and efficient at writing marketing copies, start your own online business. If you are creative, start writing short stories for kids or a novel. You can use Google Docs to start writing. We found this website lulu.com where you can self-publish your book. They can also help in distributing your books on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. New to self-publishing? Don't worry, lulu.com offers resources to help you get started. Remember, with technology and a lot of self-help videos out there that can walk you through how to make the most of your writing skills, nothing is impossible. Remember to also include Pivot Online as your available resource in your journey. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.